Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer mileage logs to Everlance for tax filing step by step clearly. Open Everlance on your device. Log in to your Everlance account using your credentials. Navigate to the mileage section of the app. Locate the option for importing mileage logs. Select the option to import from a file. Prepare the file containing your mileage logs in CSV format. Ensure your CSV file includes columns for date, distance, purpose, and start and end locations. Return to the Everlance app and click on the Upload option. Choose your prepared CSV file from your device. Confirm that the file has been selected for upload. Click the Import button to begin transferring your logs. Wait for the upload process to complete. Review the imported mileage logs for accuracy. Make any necessary adjustments to ensure all information is correct. Save your changes in the Everlance app. Generate a tax report through the app if needed. Export your mileage log for tax filing. Attach or print the report as necessary for your tax documents. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.